Okay, these are so cute. Let's make these mini cream cheese pumpkin pies. The recipe's from the Butternut Squash Bakery. Love her TikTok. Check it out. So simple. All you need is store-bought pie crust, cookie cutter, any shape you like. Pretty random. I happen to have a pumpkin. And then the filling is just pumpkin puree, cream cheese, brown sugar, pumpkin pie spice. I don't know about you guys, but I'm the only one in my family who likes pumpkin pie. I always get outnumbered at Thanksgiving by some chocolate dessert. So I can just use these, stuff them with what everybody likes, and everyone's happy. Use an egg wash, seal them. You can top with the cinnamon sugar, and you guys, I'm here for the convenience. These were awesome.
Pumpkin brigadeiros are so easy to make and so delicious. They're made of just 3 ingredients: sweetened condensed milk, pumpkin puree, and butter. Mix those ingredients in a small pot and cook it until it becomes thick. Transfer the mixture to a bowl or to a plate and let it cool down. And then you can roll into balls, dredge in sugar, and use a toothpick to form the creases of the pumpkin. And I put a mini chocolate chip on top to make the pumpkin stem.
It's officially fall. The grocery stores are flowing with pumpkins, and my most asked question is, how do I make pumpkin puree? One pumpkin, 2 ways. One for mashing for recipes and one for eating. This is a pie pumpkin, but a buttercup squash will work amazing. For plain pumpkin puree, place cut side down on a parchment-lined baking sheet. But my Amish friends taught me the best way to cook pumpkin. Butter, brown sugar, cinnamon, put it in the oven until caramelized, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Bake it around 375 degrees Fahrenheit until nice and soft. The upside down pumpkin steams and gets super soft, perfect for using inside of recipes. Serve the cinnamon brown sugar version right out of the pumpkin. Effortlessly delicious.
I don't know where these pumpkin chocolate chip cookies have been all my life, but I just made the best recipe ever. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to make them. First, you combine all the dry ingredients. It's just gluten-free flour, coconut sugar, cinnamon, pumpkin pie spice, and baking soda. Then you mix together all the wet ingredients. I used vegan butter, but you can also use coconut oil, maple syrup, pumpkin puree, vanilla extract, and then chocolate chips. I just measure the chocolate chips with my heart, but you can use 1 cup measurement. The cookie dough's a little bit sticky, but it's okay, trust me. If you want them to be fluffy, don't flatten them down. And guess what? They're gluten-free, vegan, and have no refined sugar. And they're so delicious.
A highly requested recipe for the fall pumpkin roll. Beat 3 eggs for 5 minutes, add the rest of your ingredients. Use a 10 by 15 jelly roll pan lined with parchment paper and grease it. You're going to bake 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Next, flip the cake over into paper towels. You're going to roll and chill the cake immediately in the refrigerator. Next, make your cream cheese filling. Once it's cooled, you can spread on the filling. You can add powdered sugar, whipped cream, and cinnamon. Hope you enjoy.